Oh yeah, sweet. It's like a 6-inch-ish wheel, got bearings inside, it's flat free. Even got a great grease fitting. Cool. All I gotta do is find a shaft there and yeah, heavy duty. That'll be awesome. Let's get this other one. I think the other one should be the same thing. Yeah, same thing. Nice. And maybe shorten it for the leg and put the wheels on the bottom. Like that. So I found this threaded rod and I cleaned it up. So if we put the two wheels here, measured the width of the roller table, that's 18 inches. So I'll just drill some holes and put some washers to hold the wheels there, and that should work pretty good. So now that I have my wheels all set up, that should work out pretty good. That's perfect size too. I'll weld that just like that.